Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss about the pictograph. In our previous video we have discussed how to write our data in tabular form by using telemarks. But today we are going to discuss how to represent the data by using pictograph. So first of all we are going to discuss the meaning of pictograph. Pictograph means the given data represent by using pictures. So students, when we use the pictures, the representation is called pictograph and it appear attractive. So it's easy to understand and answer the related questions. So let's take one example to explain this one. I'm going to explain our exercise 14.2. Question number first. In question number first, they have given the number of cycles sold during 6 months in a particular outlet is given. So student, what they have given to us, month and number of cycle. They have given in March, April, May, June, July and August. Okay friends, in April, first of all in March month 70 cycles sold, April month 80, then after 50, then after 100, in July 40 cycles, and then after in August 80 cycles. So students, the given information we have to represent with the help of pictograph. So students, whenever we are going to draw the given data in pictograph, first of all you have to set a scale. A scale means you set a picture represent how many cycles. So this is called the scale. So students, for example, here I taken a picture of square. Students, here you can take any type of the picture, easiest picture you can take. So here I took a square. A square represent 10 cycles. So to find the number of pictures, how many pictures you have to draw, that given frequency divide by 10. We observe that all the pictures are easily multiple of 10, and when we divide this one by 10, we get the answer. Here we will draw the 7 pictures, next 8 pictures, 5, 10, 4 and 8. Now on the behalf of this information, we are going to draw our pictograph. So first we represent our tabular form, and it's divided in 2 columns. Students, always in column we represent this information given, and here we will write always number of cycle. Okay students, so first in March, the first month is March, because here we will write month. Okay, month represent downside. In March month they sold 70 cycle. That means 7 picture we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay students, now after the 7 pictures, we have completed the first one, March month, and then after close this one by this line. Okay, now then after March, next month is April. In April month 80. So here we will draw 80 pictures. Student, the picture should be same size. Keep remember, the picture should be same size. So try to draw the same size pictures. So here we have to draw the 8 pictures. Okay. Then after April, the next month is May. In May they have given 5. So first of all we write the May, and we have to draw the 5 pictures. After May, they have given about the June. In June month, 100. 100 means 10 pictures we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After June, July. So we have to draw this line to close this June month. Then after July. In July 40, that means 4 picture we have to draw. After July, the last month is August. In August, they have given 80. So here we have to draw, students, 8 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now student, in this way we have complete our pictograph. So the what thing is important, first one is scale. You have to decide the scale, what scale you are taking to represent the pictures. So here this one box equals to the 10. Then after, according to the scale, we divide the frequency with that scale and we get the number of the pictures, how many pictures we have to draw, and according to this number we have to draw the pictures. Okay, now then after move to the next question, question number 2. In question number 2, they have given a vegetable seller carried the following vegetable to sell. Okay, and draw the pictograph showing the amount. So student, first here we will show the vegetables. In vegetables they have given potato, onion, cauliflower, then after brinjal, lemon and green chili. Then after they have given quantity. Quantity they have given in kg. The potatoes having 20 kg, onion 20, then after cauliflower 16, then after brinjal 4, and lemon 2 kg, and green chili also 2 kg. So students, here we observe that all the numbers, the smallest number is 2 and all the numbers of multiple of 2. So here we will select any one picture. For example, here now I took as a scale circle. My one picture represent the 2 kg. Okay, one picture represent 2 kg. So I divide this all number by 2. Okay, 20 divided by 2, 10. 20 divided by 2, 10, 16 divided by 2, 8, 4 divided by 2, 2, 2 divided by 1 and 1. So student, according to this number we have to draw the picture. So let's start our pictograph. So first of all, you draw a tabular form. Okay, this tabular form is ready. For downside we will close after we finish the question. So the first column we are showing here vegetables, and here quantity, that in given in kg. So scale we are taking, one picture equals to 2 kg. The first is potatoes, that is given 20 kg. That means 10 pictures we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, then after they have given onion, 10, same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Students, any picture you can take. So here I am taking that picture which is less time consuming and easily we can draw. The next is cauliflower. See, cauliflower they have given 8, so 8 pictures we have to draw. Okay, then after brinjal, is 4 kg. 4 kg, that means 2 pictures we have to draw. Then after lemon, and after lemon there is green chili, and then after we close this one. So here is lemon, green chili. Lemon is 2 kg, so 1 picture. Green chili also 2 kg, 1 picture. So students, we have represent this one with the help of pictograph, and this is our pictograph. So here if you want to show the frequency, then you can show also the frequency, but it's no need to show. Okay, now the second question complete. Question number third also the same type, but in question number third they have given to you a scale. What scale they have given in question number third? They told कि this type of the picture of a human being, it's represent the 50 childrens. This scale they have given. And student, in question number third, the number of students studying third language in a particular school are given in a tabular form with a scale of 1. This human being picture equals to the 50 children represented by pictograph. So first of all they have given language and number of students. So first language is Sanskrit. I'm writing in short, spoken by 300. Then after French, 450. German, 250. Spanish and Punjabi. Spanish spoken by 350, taken by 350 students and 100. So students, as we know, to find the number of pictures that we have to draw, this frequency divided by the scale. So 300 divided by 50. So here we will get 6 pictures. Here 9. 25 divided by 50, 5, 7 and 2. So this much number of pictures we have to draw. Now I am going to show this one how to represent. This format of pictograph we have drawn. This one. So here they are representing, this one is language and here is number of students. The first language is Sanskrit. 300, that means 6 pictures we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Then after Sanskrit, French. French is spoken by 9. That 450, taken by 450. So here we will write French. 9 picture we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So like this you have to complete this pictograph after 5, 7 and 2. So rest part, this one you have to complete by yourself. Now then after move on the behalf of this one, they have given some questions of this one. So the first question they have given, how many students are studying third language? So here we have to find out the total number. So now I'm going to give the answer on the behalf of this one. The first question they ask, question number third, first question, how many students are studying third language? So student, to find the total number of students, we have to find out the addition of all. Okay. So the first question, how many students are studying third language? So the total numbers we are finding here, Sanskrit, French, German, Spanish and then after Punjabi. So here is 300, 450, 250, 350 and then after 100. So student, here we will find out the total, and after finding the total we come to know how many students are that studying third language. So here 0, 5, 5, 10, 15, 1 carry, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And that means 1450 children are studying third language. Okay. Next question. Which language is liked as a foreign language by the most of the students? So students, have you observed here which students are using French language is studying by the more children? So here we will write answer is French. The most liking language is French. Third question, which Indian language is preferred over the other? So here the which other language, that is Sanskrit and Punjabi. The other language is Sanskrit and Punjabi is the other language that is preferred by the persons. Okay, so here we will write, but students, Punjabi, which Indian language is preferred over the other? Over the other means, that's mean other language, so that is our Sanskrit. Now, how many more students have offered foreign language over the Indian language? Okay, students. So, to find the other language are French, German, Spanish. So, French 450, German 250, and Spanish 350. If you find the sum, 5 3s are 15, 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 9, 10. 1050 students have taken the other language over the Indian language. So students, like this we have to, first we draw the pictograph, and after pictograph we have to give the answer of the following questions. Now come on the next question. In next question they ask, read the following pictograph and write it in tabular form. So okay, tabular form they have given. So first of all, I am going to explain how to read this one pictograph. Okay students, they have given the scale. One pot is given to 5 plants. So how many pots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 multiplied by 5. That's mean here we get 25. Okay. Then 4. 5 multiplied by 4. That's mean 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 multiplied by 5. 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 multiplied by 5. That's mean 25. And 5 multiplied by 3. That's mean 15. Okay. These are the number of the plants. And cost per plants, that's mean one plant cost is rupees 30. So the first question, what is the total number of plants? So students, we have to find the total number of plants. So how we find the total number of plants? Let's see. Question number 4. So first we find total number of plants. So whatever the number we have find out, first is 25 plus 20 plus 35 plus 25 and at the end plus 15. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total plant is 120. So what is the total plants? 120. Now then after the second question, how much money has been spent on each type of plant? So the separate plant money we have to find out. First plant is rose, and rose plants are 25. One plant cost is rupees 30. So 25 multiplied by 30, that means 750 rupees. Second plant is Chandani, that is 20 plants and each plant cost is rupees 25. So 25 to ja 50, 500 rupees. The third plant is Sadabahar, that is 35 plants and one plant cost is rupees 10. So total cost is 350 rupees. Then after marigold, the number of plants are 25. Each plant cost is rupees 10. That means total cost 250 rupees. Third plant is keratin. Number of plants 15. Cost is rupees 50. So rupees 750. Now students, we have find out the separately each plant cost. The next question, find the total amount of money spent on all plants. So that's mean we have to find out the total of this all one. To give the answer of third point, the total money spent on all plants, when we add this one, we get the addition 2600. So total money spent overall 2600. Fourth question, which two type of plants have the same total cost? So same total cost is here 750 and 750. So fourth question answer is rose and keratin. These two plants having the same cost. Okay, students. So like this, students, you have to solve the rest two questions, question number 5 and 6 by yourself, because in question number 5 also they have given one pictograph, and after observe the pictograph we have to give the answer of the given questions below. Okay, so you have to observe, they have given here one picture equal to the 5 students. So first you all find the number of students and then after give the answer of the test questions. Okay, students, so today you have to complete our exercise 14.2 same in your register. Okay, thank you, students.